Introduction to Pandas. What is Pandas, and why should we learn it? Pandas is one of the few most important tools for data scientists that is used for exploring, cleaning, transforming, visualizing, and learning form data. Pandas is the backbone of data science. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, exploratory data analysis, etc. all depends on data, and currently there's no better tool than Pandas for managing data for such tasks. If you really want to be a data scientist, then you must have to learn Pandas well. In-depth knowledge of Pandas and few related packages such as Matplotlib, scikit-learn, SuMyPy, etc. will help us to do data science projects better. The two primary data structures of Pandas are series and data frame. Series is one-dimensional and data frame is two-dimensional. We can think of a Pandas series as a column in a spreadsheet. A data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure like a database table or a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Pandas allows us to import data into data frames from sources of various format such as CSV, JSON, Excel, databases, etc. Again, after processing the data, we may save the data in CSV, JSON, Excel, etc. formats or into databases. In Pandas, a data table is called a data frame. That is, Pandas data frame has rows and columns, rows are indexed, and columns are labeled. In this example data frame, the columns are ID, name, department, mobile, and email. The indexes are 0 to 7. For working with Pandas, first of all, we need to install this package in our computer system. We can install Pandas using the command pip install pandas in our terminal. As the package is downloaded from the internet, obviously, your computer must be connected to the internet. Once the Pandas is installed, we can import this package in our projects using import pandas as PD. Remember, PD is the most commonly used alias for Pandas. Before discussing more, let's do some practical work to get some ideas on Pandas series and data frame. We will learn more about series in a separate lesson. This is just for giving an overview of Pandas series. Now let's see how we may create a data frame in Pandas. This is one of the basic ways of creating a data frame. This is just for a demonstration purpose. Here we are creating a data frame equivalent to the spreadsheet as shown at the right-hand side of the screen. As you can see, the argument passed to the data frame method is nothing but a dictionary where each key value pair corresponds to a column in our spreadsheet. See, the data frame is very similar to our spreadsheet. For working with large datasets, Pandas provides methods for importing data from files of various formats such as comma-separated values, tab-separated values, fixed-width values, JSON, Parquet, and also from different databases. Now let's see how we may populate our data frame by importing data from a CSV file. Now we will demonstrate how to visualize Pandas data frame data using Matplotlib. This is just for demonstration purpose, just see what happens and get an idea about plotting using Pandas and Matplotlib. We will learn all these things one by one. That's all for this lesson. We will learn more about Pandas series and data frames in our next lesson step by step. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson and curious about our next lessons. Please share your views on the quality of the lesson through likes, dislikes, comments, share, and subscription. Thanks. Have a nice day.